and welcome to this UTMC tutorial. Let's guide you through the registration process. To begin, access your email account and log in. Once you've logged in, look for an email titled CMS Registration Request from the following email address. When you open this email, you will find a generated message from your authorization manager inviting you to join the case management system. This message also includes a 4-digit PIN highlighted in orange, which will remain active for 4 days. Copy this PIN. Click the link labeled Registration Screen to proceed to the final step of the registration process. Paste the PIN into the PIN input field. Select a username that you will easily remember. Your username must contain a minimum of 6 characters and a maximum of 24 characters. It should not include spaces and may only contain special characters such as a period or an underscore. Please enter your password. Click the Confirm Password field to verify your password entry. Finally, you can view the Terms of Use Agreement and CMS Privacy Policy. Please check this box to confirm that you have read and understood the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Next, you will be able to click the blue Register button, which will finalize the registration process. You will also notice that you are redirected to the login screen of the case management system, where you will enter your username and password. Finally, you will be redirected to the dashboard of the case management system. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.